Good afternoon. This is Bio Joseph on Market Insight with Bio Joseph, and as you can all see, concerning the market review, this is a market review on the Market Insight we did last week, and as you can see, the market went just as I analyzed. The DXY did what we analyzed, what we expected it to do. This is this is the review from the last analysis we did. I told you the last one that I was waiting for the market to either reverse or go up, but what it did throughout the week was it came down here and is eventually going for a buy, which is showing that it's not ready to break down. It wants to continue this bullish, and it also affected the GBP USD. As you can see, the EP USD eventually broke above this and came into this supply zone. Let's go down to the 4 hours. You can see what's happened here. The price came into the supply zone, swept this liquidity here, and started to sell. So, and I told you what to do. I can't buy here, though a scalper can come in and take a quick buy. There are always opportunities in the market. You just know when and what are you buying, what are you saying. Are you buying an actual trend, inner trend, but whatever you are doing, just understand what the market is doing before you jump into the market for buy, to either buy or to sell. But this happened, and I'm actually selling this at least to this place to know if this bullish trend is confirmed, there's going to be a break, then I'll continue to sell. But this is not to finalize or to give you this is not a signal to tell you that go and start selling. But I got into this move early enough from this liquidity sweep, and I have been shorting from then. And probably if you listen to the previous analysis, if you followed it, you will see what I said concerning gold. Gold made me a lot of pips last week, what I explained last week, and if you check the videos, you will see what we discussed about uh, the price actually getting to the supply zone and dilly-dallying around this area before it continues either downward or upward. And as you can see, if you remember, I watched the video I did. I used my Fibonacci extension, and I told you that the price is going to come into the discount zone, and this is what just happened. Imagine taking this sell from 4,190 and down to the 4,016. So this is a very good sell from wherever you enter. So what you do is you should have a very good entry model. I have my own entry model. I go down to the lower time frame to look for a very good entry where my risk to reward ratio is on the high side. But it's not just about risk to reward ratio. It's about the timing of when I enter into the market and when I'm coming out. Your stop loss, your take profit, and your execution always matter. But this trade, I actually took this trade, and now it has gotten to this demand zone, and whenever a price gets to demand zone, you either see a bounce off or a continuation, and this is what it did. I also took this buy to this next zone here, because there's a little zone here. If I go down to the lower time frame, this is zone here. I took a quick buy, and it also made me some amount of money, and it's a very good it was a very good week for me trading gold USD. So I don't know if you did, but if you followed this analysis and you are very good with your entry model, this would have given you an insight on what to do. So shortly I'll be doing a market insight on the new week to know what else we should be looking at, and if you have any pair you want us to look into and either give you more insight on what to do and what to look out for, you can send a message, comment on the YouTube channel or whatever platform you find this video. But make sure the platform you find the video is Bio Joseph, and I'll be so glad to do an analysis or to do a market insight on what to expect this coming week. But for now, this is the review of our last video which we did, and this video or this lesson shows us that the insight went out. And I'm not saying that it's sometimes you don't get it wrong. You get it wrong sometimes, but this is just an insight. It's like a forecast to see what exactly is happening. What should I do? Okay, what are the next steps to do? Okay, if this is going to work like this, what should I look forward to? So this is just the insight. Then you now go down and look for how to enter into the market. So thank you all for watching this episode on Market Insight. Market Insight, but this is a review. Thank you and God bless you.